Question number 1. On which date was the National Emblem of India adopted? Answer. National emblem was adopted on January 26, 1950, the day the Indian Constitution came into force. Question number 2. How many animals are there in the Ashoka Pillar? Answer. There are 4 different animals: Asiatic lion, elephant, horse and bull. Question number 3. Where is Ashoka Pillar located? Answer. The Ashoka Pillar is situated in Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, India. Question number 4. Question number 5. When was the Ashoka Pillar built? Answer. The Ashoka Pillar was built in 250 BC by the great Emperor Ashoka. Question number 6. How many parts are there in the Ashoka Pillar? Answer. There are 3 parts: the base, the shaft, and the capital. Question number 7. What is the height of Ashoka Pillar? Question number 9. Which religion did Emperor Ashoka adopt? Answer. Question number 10. How many Ashoka Pillar are there in India? Answer. There are 5 pillars in India: Sarnath, Allahabad, Vaishali, Delhi, and Sanchi. Answer. There are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra,